Hey guys, welcome back to Teen Talks, and it's great to have you guys here again today. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty good.
I guess.
Yeah. So before I talk to you guys about what the topic is for our Teen Talk today, how about we quickly just introduce ourselves?
Okay, I'm Trisha.
I'm Nivesh.
I'm Raymond.
I'm Sharon.
Cool, and I'm Ruben. And today we're going to be talking about New Year resolutions, or just resolutions in general,
Okay, yeah.
basically. Have you guys ever made a resolution in the past?
Many.
Okay, what are some of the resolutions that you guys have made?
I mean, initially it was just like, oh, I'm going to concentrate on studies and do well,
Yeah.
and I'm going to go out and play instead of being on my phone. But then over time, it's got like I'll work out,
Yeah.
or like I'm going to find out some talent of mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I've had the same resolution for like 4 or 5 years, and it's clearly not happening. And it's obviously to exercise on a regular basis, but that just doesn't happen. And hopefully, once more, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna do it next year.
I didn't have a resolution because I felt that it's not going to work out for me.
Yeah.
So I never had a resolution.
Okay, cool.
My resolution was to actually study, because my parents were just like, your marks are horrible. And I'm just like, I know. and they're like, dude, this time I have to study. I'm just like, fine, I will try studying this time.
Yeah.
But I just go out, I'm just like, guys, get a ball, let's play football, or let's play basketball, because I'm not going to study at all. I just don't want to go home and just open my book and just stare at it. I'm just like, okay, fine.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I totally get that. Like when you make that resolution, sometimes it's just in the spur of the moment, or it's just on the spot, and it's meant for the whole year. And more often than not, it just doesn't make it till the end of the year, right?
It's normally just that day, you're so excited and pumped. Oh, new year, new me.
Yeah.
But it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
I think we should make resolutions I'm going to start making my resolutions work. That should be my
That should
resolution.
be- yeah. Like when you make that resolution, by when does it usually, by when do you
I
break
don't even
it?
start it. I'm just like, I should do this, but nah.
I think
lie down.
maximum mine's gone for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, that's your longest resolution.
Okay,
That's
no,
pretty
might be a month, but dedicated.
Yeah.
It's 2 weeks, and then I'm pushing myself the rest of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, with me, it's exercising, and normally good 10 days, yeah. And then I feel so good about myself. I'll be just so pumped that I'll just give up for a while. And then once I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, oh no. And then that's when I start again. And then again, it's just a cycle, of doing it and not doing it, doing it, not.
Once
Yeah.
my teacher had told that on the New Year day, if you open your book and study for 15 minutes, the whole year you will progress and progress and progress. And I believe that.
Oh my god, yeah,
Yeah.
totally. I think even my mom used to say that one wish that the beginning of the year, what you start off with, that's how your entire year is going to be.
Yeah.
It's never worked. I don't
Yeah.
even know.
Yeah.
I mean-
Give me money.
I slept in the first 15 minutes,
Yeah.
and I slept the whole year.
Oh, that came true.
Yeah, that was cool. I'm like,
And what about in this year, 2020? We would have had so many things that we wanted to do and achieve this year, and so
I
much.
definitely thought 2020 was new year, new me, but
Yeah.
2020 was new year, new me.
so basically, I was just like, this time I'm actually gonna party hard, because I don't do that. I'm just an introvert, sitting at home.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, fine, I'm gonna party, I'm gonna go out with my friends, and then there's COVID.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
That's
we're
just-
all stuck home.
Yeah.
Stuck at home. I'm sure that there must have been other things that you have planned to do this year. So, for example, one of the things that I wanted to do this year is I wanted to run more than 15 marathons this year. I actually couldn't do it because now you can't travel. I started the year off in January and I ran 3, and then after that you just couldn't move around. So I guess that was one for me. I think it's also what's important is that there's 2021 that's coming in ahead. So even if our resolutions last year didn't happen, we can always make them happen next year. And what is more important is we should figure out why we're not able to keep up with those resolutions. And if they're resolutions that actually don't mean anything to us, then why are we making them in the first place? Right?
It's just for the sake of it. I'm
Just for the sake of it.
Yeah, everyone's what's your New Year resolution? So you need to keep something planned.
Yeah.
But
No, then your resolution can also be that you don't have a resolution.
oh, yeah,
No,
she
that's
said,
not cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to tell my friends, oh dude, I have a resolution this year.
which
Believe
I'm
me,
not gonna follow.
I might just follow, but I'm not going to.
Yeah.
But this year the thing is, like COVID has generally taught me a lot.
Yeah.
And I actually feel like I'll be motivated enough to actually go with it.
Yeah.
And so I was thinking, the resolution, for 2021, like try and make some money for myself,
Yeah.
so that I don't have to, like keep going to my parents.
That's
and I
cool.
feel like that's a pretty decent resolution.
Yeah.
Just at least for now, like help me out later.
Yeah. That's a cool resolution, and like even for your other one, the one before this,
Yeah.
have you ever thought about like how you want to, like how you can make that happen, like exercising regularly or something like that?
Yeah, the thing is, I've always wanted to join a gym.
Yeah.
But for some weird reason, my mom has always been against it.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know why. And especially after the whole COVID thing, though, she's like, no.
Completely.
You're not touching anything other people are touching. And, like, yeah. So,
Yeah.
just work out home. And the thing is, it does get boring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess it's tough that way, and even without being able to have those facilities like gyms, you don't have much of an
Yeah.
option in that sense. But like, if it's something that's really important to you, keep it at the back of your head and keep trying to think about how you can
Yeah.
overcome it. Don't just let it slide if it's actually something that's important to you. And yeah, for 2021, do you guys think?
Oh, I
Then-
want to get into the basketball state team. I practiced a lot when I was like 16.
Yeah.
I got into
Yeah,
the
you
state
have the
camp.
height.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
all I
yeah,
have. So I got into the state camp, and then I got sick.
Oh man.
So I couldn't like get into the team.
Yeah.
And over that, like the coaches are not friendly. They're like, you don't know Kannada, get out. I'm just like,
Yeah.
so I didn't get in because I couldn't come for practice. So I think for 2021, I want to get into the state team
That's really
again.
cool.
Yeah. So
Yeah. All the best, man.
I don't think I have any expectations for 2021. Let 2020 get over. We never
Yeah.
know. I'm like so done with 2020, but yeah, hopefully it gets better, and then I can create something then when I know it's a good environment.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Like have low expectations and
Yeah,
maybe
get
disappointed.
surprised.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
What
just
you
want to
guys?
get out of my house, have a lot of adventure, talk to people, mingle up with them, have fun. I just want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. What about you,
But
Dave?
that actually reminds me, 2021, right? Hopefully, once everything has died down, I want to like take solo trips,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's
that,
cool.
that would be
That's
nice.
nice.
And that's kind of why I want to save money, so that I don't have to depend on my
It's
parents
connected.
as much. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought we were planning to go on a trip together. Never mind.
That's pretty cool, yeah. And it's cool how you're connecting. Like you have that final goal of going on trips and you're working backwards
Yeah.
and trying to see what do I have to do to get there. But yeah, I think in general, it's also really important for us to like share this with other people if at different points in time. It could be your friends, it could be cousins, it could be anybody, because you never know, there may be somebody else out there who has a like-minded goal.
Yeah,
And when
especially
you have,
like the working out thing,
especially
right?
when working on stuff like that, like when you have a buddy with you, it always
so
it
much
makes it
more
easier.
motivated. You can just motivate
yeah,
each
like,
other.
right?
even I have like if I want to go to the basketball state team, I have many teammates like
Yeah.
who want to come with me.
Exactly.
So we like practice together.
Yeah.
And
that
I get
motivates
better.
you,
Yeah,
that-
that motivates me to do better than him. I
Yeah.
want to be the best.
Exactly, yeah.
So I'm just like, fine. Let's just
Positive.
practice, Yes.
Yeah, that's really cool. But yeah, I think for our year ahead also, even like we say that resolutions are cliched and we just have to make it for the sake of, there may be things that we actually really want to achieve on the inside and you may not be comfortable with sharing with other people. So even with those things, it's always good to bounce it off someone. So for me, I think what helps me out the most is when I really have something that I want to do and I'm not able to do it, I kind of talk to either my parents or someone else about it, because saying it out loud makes me accountable for it. And when I actually do that, even if I take that jump and say, okay, I'm going to do this month, at the back of my head, it's like, okay, it's not just me anymore. Now other people know it, so I really have to do my best to get to
Totally
it.
get what you're saying.
Right, so because like some resolutions are just like you're just making it for the sake of making it, but there could be things that you actually really want to do that you struggle with. For me, sometimes it's just like waking up early or like planning my day out properly, right? Stuff like that. And maybe a way to go about it is by like talking to people about it, because
I think it is important to talk to people about it.
yeah,
Because it kind of makes you do it more and more.
exactly.
And if you don't, you always have like think, oh, they're gonna mock me, like, oh shit, I didn't do it.
Yeah.
And like, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel for me it is like I have to write it in a sheet of paper and stick it in the cupboard.
Yeah.
So I see it every day, I do it.
Yeah, that's another cool way to do it. So even if you're not talking to someone else,
Yeah.
putting it out there and just making sure that you have it right in front of you, so it's just always in your
Yeah.
face, kind of will
I think
motivate
like
you.
adding to what she said, I think like this year, so much about manifesting has come out.
Yeah.
Like you actually believing in what you want to do and actually achieving it because you want it so bad.
Yeah.
Like believing in yourself that no, if that's my motive, like I'm gonna reach there at the end of the day.
Exactly.
So I feel like that 2020 is the year of like manifesting like what you actually want to do. And I feel like now that you're sitting at home, like you have nothing to do, like you know what goals you have and you want to go towards that. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But like telling other people for me does not work personally.
Yeah.
Like I told my parents, I will open my math textbook this year. I swear to God, and I still didn't open it. Yeah, I'm just sitting in class. I don't know where my textbooks are. I don't know where my notebooks are. I just pick up a random notebook and I just take a pen and I sleep. I don't even write.
Yeah.
I just have it there. And if a teacher calls my name, I just switch on the camera. Just like, hey, I'm here. And then I switch it off and I sleep again.
Yeah.
So like I tell my parents like, yeah, I'm gonna do something. Like I'm gonna actually open my textbooks and try studying for like at least 1 hour. And I like try studying for like 10 minutes.
And then just.
No, it does not.
I
work.
think for you it's just gonna come when you yourself decide like
Yeah,
that
but
you
that
want
does
to
not
do it.
happen. It's like, yeah.
I know it may not happen for someone like this, but even with basketball or something like that, right?
Yeah.
Only you yourself can drive yourself to
Like
get
no
that
one can
level.
like be like, no, you can't do it.
Exactly. But yeah, cool. This is really fun. Like we all kind of discussed about what our resolutions could be, and sometimes talking about it actually does help. Like we spoke about it, and just remember that out there, if you have other friends, there may be other people who have the same goals as you, but who are struggling to face them, and they may not have a platform like this, or they may not be as comfortable talking to other people as like we are, right? We have a group that we can share it with, and they may not. So yeah, if you ever have a friend who's in that situation, don't be afraid of just putting a hand around them, and just you can always be an encouragement to them. And yeah, so for 2021, let's keep.
Let's hope for the best.
Let's hope for the
Yeah,
best.
let's
Hopefully, we won't be in lockdown, so we can actually achieve some of these goals. But like we said, in our own different ways, though we all have different ways of coping with it and trying to like getting over it, it's important that we actively try to do that. So yeah, like we were discussing today, though we have different ways and different methods with which we tackle our challenges up ahead and try to meet our resolutions. It's important that we stick to that and we actively try our best to overcome those battles that we face and really become better versions of ourselves.